What's up guys, welcome to another video from TDC Reviews, and I recently purchased this 30-day supply of emergency food from Readywise off Amazon. So I want to do a quick, straight to the point review of what you get when you buy this product. So if you're scrolling through Amazon right now and you're like, hey, what does this come with? Well, I'm about to show you and kind of open these up and just do a quick product unboxing, unbucketing, so to speak, to show you what you get when you order this or purchase this from Amazon. I'll also include a product link in the description, so be sure to check that out. But basically, as it states on Amazon, this is a 30-day emergency food supply, 2 buckets, bucket 1, bucket 2. It'll say right here, bucket 1 of 2 and bucket 2 of 2. And so 1,800 calories per day, 50 grams of protein per day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks, and snacks. So that's a lot to advertise for 2 essentially 5-gallon buckets of food. So we'll open these bad boys up and see what's inside and see what you get. So like I said, it's made by Readywise. Basically, there's some other food brands out there, but these are kind of branded under the emergency food prep style of brands that make food that lasts a long time. They're freeze dried and sealed up in bags. And basically how you prepare most of this stuff is you're boiling the food in a pan with water and bringing stuff up to heat, letting it cool for so long, and your food's ready to go, as so it says. So unlike some other brands out there like Mountain House or I don't know, there's a couple other brands out there where you actually just pour the water in the bag. This is not like that. So this, just to cover, this has a 25-year shelf life, so pretty cool. So I'll just get to it, going over what you get, and I'll try to put it or stack it up in front of here. So am I still recording? Please hit record. Okay, it is. It blended in with the... Okay guys, I thought I wasn't recording for a second. I was like, oh no. Anyways, so back to this quick review. So the first bag, they all look like golden bags like this so far, and it's stuffed to the brim. So this is banana chips. So I wonder if on here it says, okay, so let me go over quickly. It's organic. So entrees: cheesy lasagna, cheesy macaroni, chicken flavored noodle soup, chicken macaroni, creamy pasta and vegetables, gluten-free loaded baked potato casserole, gluten-free potatoes and chicken flavored pot pie, gluten-free teriyaki rice, gluten-free tomato basil soup with pasta, hearty tortilla soup, pasta alfredo, savory stroganoff, Southwest rice and beans, barbecue beans, and natural bacon flavor, seasoned instant rice. So I don't know if there's any meat in any of these things. A lot of them are rice and pastas and stuff. So the organic pasta, pasta, pineapple, chipotle chili, white cheddar broccoli soup. Those are entrees. Breakfast comes with apple, cinnamon cereal, brown sugar, maple, multi-grain, crunchy granola, strawberry granola crunch, pancakes, organic oatmeal. And the meats is Southwest style chicken, roasted chicken, teriyaki chicken, cheesy beef, savory roasted beef. So it does come with meat. Stroganoff style beef, sides instant rice, broccoli, peas, corn, green beans, butter sauce. Desserts come with creamy yogurt style dessert, vanilla pudding, chocolate pudding. Drinks is whey milk alternative, chocolate dairy delight, and orange drink, and powdered eggs. And it comes with this little sheet, this little blueprint that you have from Readywise that's going to tell you how to cook with all the instructions. So I'm not going to go over that. This is basically strictly to cover what this comes with. So if you're getting ready to buy and you just want to see what this 2 bucket 30-day emergency prep kit comes with, or food kit comes with, this video is going to help you out. So first package is bananas, and made so in 2022. So 25-year shelf life from that. More bananas. Let me see if I don't know if I can angle the camera down or not. Pancake mix. So that's a mix. More pancake mix. More pancake mix. So what's this one? Oh, whey milk alternative. Another whey milk alternative. So they really fit as much as they can in here, which I think is more like just, I don't know, protein whey milk alternative. Another one, I'm guessing this one's another one as well. Whey milk alternative. So these, cool. Brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal. So that's cool. You know, don't ask me if I'm gonna be able to get all this back in this container because I think it was like strategically prepped in here. Brown sugar maple. Again, let's see, brown sugar maple again. Let's see what this bad boy brings us here. Okay, long-term rice. So, rice and more rice. Man, I feel like all this is gonna be rice. Rice. More rice. Oh, don't forget your rice. And let's see, what's this one? Oh, guess. I bet you can't guess. Rice. Okay. And this is, oh, another brown sugar and maple. So let me open this box really fast. Oh no. Come on. Might have to break this one open. The other one just wasn't exactly sealed on there properly. That's fine. And this one, oh cool. All the nutrition facts comes with, so all your calorie intake. That's pretty cool, and all that. Good info on that. And a second cooking sheet in case you lose the first one. So each bucket has its own. I don't think the food's any different. Let me see. Nope. It's basically another copy of the same sheet. And so let's see about this. Okay. What is this? Okay. Southwest rice and beans. This is Southwest rice and beans again. Sorry, I'm trying to go through this pretty fast so you're not like bored of me pulling out the same. Southwest rice and beans again. So some of these were kind of smushed in here, but. So they're all in pretty thick bags though. Southwest rice and beans again. And this is like, you know, this is like your rapid process line of sealing and dealing on the freeze-dried foods. This is Southwest rice and beans again. So Southwest rice and beans again. Okay, now we're getting into some other stuff. Barbecue beans, cool beans. Barbecue beans. More barbecue beans. And more barbecue beans. So I think I'm seeing kind of a trend here. There's like 4 or 5 different bags of each deal. More barbecue beans. It's kind of surprising that all this fits in both of these containers. But ooh, cheesy macaroni. Let's see. Yep, more cheesy macaroni. Okay, guys. Savory stroganoff. Let's see. More cheesy macaroni. More cheesy macaroni. Savory stroganoff. again. And barbecue beans. Let's see, savory stroganoff and savory stroganoff. Oh man, this is starting to fall all over the place, and there's not a whole lot left here, so not trying to take up too much of your time. I know you're just looking to see if this is worth it for you, and you may have already made that decision by now. More cheesy macaroni, apple cinnamon cereal, so those look kind of cool, good, delicious, all of the above. Savory stroganoff and more savory stroganoff. So that's it for both of these. And everything in here lasts 25 years. So it's freeze dried and packaged, sealed, and I'm sure if you keep it in these buckets, they will for sure last that long. But so my honest take, if you're wondering should I buy this or not, I would say like, cause this, I don't know if this is like the top tier of emergency like preparation foods and all that kind of stuff, but it is like a good starting point. So I would say if you don't have a lot of money, but you're like, hey, I want something to get going, that's like what I did, is I bought this, and you know, your game plan could be, hey, try it. If you like it, buy more. But if you don't, at least you have this as like a foundation for all your food essentials, and then you can start building with some of those other brands, and you can experiment with, Bella, you just shook the camera. You can experiment with, you know, some other brands and that sort of thing. But this thing runs like 180 bucks, and I'll put the Amazon link in the description. So you can follow that, check it out on Amazon. Ships in like, I don't know, a couple days. And so yeah, I don't think you're gonna get this much food for 180 bucks. So that's why I'm saying, like, it may not be the most highest quality, most convenient, because you do have to put it in like a pot and like not cook it, but you're like letting the hot water, you know, absorb into the freeze dried. They're taking all the moisture out. That's what freeze dried is. And it's been freeze and dried. At least that's how I interpret this. That's my personal recommendation. If you're like stuck thinking like, what brand should I get? What type of food? Because there's a bunch of different companies out there. I would start at a starting point like this and then build from there. And try it, decide if you like it, and then go, you know, step up, get, you know, whatever your like budget and feel comfortable with. But you gotta start somewhere, and I feel like this is definitely a good starting spot with as much food as it comes with, 30 days. And it's in these 5-gallon buckets, so it's easily to be transported. You can put it in your back of your car or whatever the case may be. And these days and times, it's good to have some emergency food preparation, because you never know what might pop up next. It's 2022, so we're all ready for something. Anyways, so if you like this video, if you like this style of content, and you like this direct, quick, short to the point video that's gonna help you decide if you wanna buy this product, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and if you wanna be notified of future videos like this, hit the bell. Thanks, have a good day, peace.